The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Yes, big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, so I am going to present to you piece of an entire video that shows a female musician who goes by the name of Macadamia. In the video, Macadamia said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that a well-known artist or musician physically attacked her with an object. She also said other things as well in the video, viewers and subscribers. I'm not going to explain everything. I'm going to present the video to you so that you can hear the things that she said for yourself. Alright? Now, this is a warning that at least one harsh language had been used in this video. Macadamia cried while she was making this video, or when she was making this video. In this video, you can see tears coming from her eyes. So viewer discretion is advised. Here is the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Because of things that I go through, you understand, and study the business. So when you see coffee dressed that way, that no people assume say, oh, she a lesbian. No, me kind of know that she have to just look a tomboy-ish and try to protect herself. You understand what I'm trying to say? So moving on now, me did it when me say top producer now. Did it with them wife and sitting and still at time say them want to sleep with me, and me get defensive. Me not do that. Me not do it. Me said no, you're crazy, whatever. Then them son want to sleep with me. Then me said to them, say no man, we're not rich people. We don't want poor me. That time I look a poor girl. I come from Portmore and I'm look at one clothes. If me no wash on Saturdays, me not have no clothes to come out Monday morning. So me can't afford if no rich man pitting on a rich man that want to sleep with me, and then when I look like me, I'd stress out myself. So I was very protective of my sexual part of my body, you know. So that's why I don't find out say with Macadamia, no people not really help me. No bag of artists not do no song with me. Them drag me down, them this, them that. Me not go no international level. So they make me start the pre in my head now and I say, oh, most of the time when them help them female, them have to sleep with them. I remember artists. Me I talk about artists. I talk about like 2 years ago. Me look for artists and say, do a song with me. Them say, boy, me I tell you the truth, you have to give me look a pussy. You understand? Sorry, my language man alive, but me just try telling some little things, then me get to the point, the serious part of what has been affecting me. I'm kind of glad Tanya come out, so me find a little strength when me can talk about my own. So me now come over here to telling you say nobody rape me or nobody this or nobody that, but my one was very drastic. My one is very right now. Me can come over the live today, and me don't know what gonna happen to me, but me have to talk because me never talk. Because I was paid not to talk. That's how serious it is. I was paid not to talk. So right now, me walk with all my rags. So my rag here, me don't know if me go cry because I think I've gained strength and I get strong since me been bullied all over the net. People disagree. People don't know what me go through. No people don't know what me go through. Not the music here. Anyway, me skip over enough of the things then because I don't want it sound drawn out. Because I want to come off quick. Being in the music business, I always try to be independent. Anybody know about Capricorns? Capricorns will always try to make money and be independent. So my way to survive in the business and not being abused that I have to sleep with somebody to get money. I go also dub plate. So during this journey of hustling my dub plate, you know, them telling the artists them big, you know, one of my boss, you know, big up Capleton. Capleton was always there for me. Very decent man. I can't tell you people. So me can look up to Capleton. That man, a very good man, Professor Nuts. Me have artists and me can big up. And every one of them terrible. You understand? Me go with Professor Nuts for days on the road, and he was a very respectable person. And I sat around Capleton house a lot, and he was very respected. Right? So during them time when I do the dub plate, them Capleton them used to give me free dub. We get dub plate from whole heap of artists. So by this time you have artists them days, enough of them not get along. You know? Enough of them not get along. So one of the artists them, when me I beg him dub plate, him never can give me a dub plate yet. But when they go to the next artist, me get it. So me mostly, so what happen, the artists when they really want to give me the dub plate, I really film studio, me hang out. The reason why I hang out at that studio is because the producer was very respectable to me, and the owner for that studio, me love him and everything, and he used to take care of me. Even him I got vexed with me when I talk to them because him beg me not to say nothing, you know. Anyway, I make me dub plate them and me make me dub plate them. And these two artists, them not get along none at all. So I was in between the both of them. And I remember one day I went to the other studio, not the one that me always hang out with the artists when I not give me the dub plate, but because I always have to go other places. This artist not give me the dub plate, they never mean to me, but me still at the studio because of the producer, and I love the producer. So I remember now, me go to the studio, the other studio now, and they're around there with the other artists, but they were, you know, every time, through the two artists, them not get along. Enough artists not get along them time, the whole heap of artists not friction. So, me did know one of the studio and me I get some dub plate from the artist, and me I said, John, me can't eat me look of food weekend, and so me get me look of dub them now, and me trot out and hold me look of bus. And them time I want to email song to people. We have to get them on CD and sound man, we have to send them to them, or me never remember how it reach. And me well gone to my studio now because me I said this, so me hang out every year. Me gone to the studio now, which part the artist there when I really give me no dub, but me and the producer good, and I this me a record, and them a show me like a good love. Otherwise, from not giving me dub. So me head out now and say me gone to the studio now, go hang out and do what me have to do. But when me walk going to the studio, me see some whole heap of tough face man, because they know them tell the artists have them entourage. I don't even know. Artists have 20 man around them and whole heap of entourage. So me see this big old entourage with a man that look upon me like me do something wrong. So me I say, what me do? About 20 man in the studio ever full up a man in there. I'm still one of the man that look at me weird, and which part of the studio there one big old gate, you know, them high gate that we make out the iron. And me just see gate lock behind me, plop. And me I say, I walk one. So same time the artist walk out. Hey girl, they run a studio. Run our studio, I deal with artists. When me not like and you call up my name. And me I say, what you talk about? Me go a dub plate, me go look. And me beg a dub plate all the while they don't want to give me something. I understand better. The artist never want you nothing. Me I say, you know what the artist do? Take up one big piece of board, and when him done broke it up on me, you know, my back left, right. Me talk about artists wanna love and say, every day when I see the artist and I see the people that run him down and people that say them love this man, the man take the board and lick me straight right back through the iron gate. Right through the gate. Oh God! Oh God! I just broke up the board. Oh my God! I can be going 20 man them stand up there. I said, why is that girl? Oh, she be get it. I got this. I share this, yo. Oh, she got chatted with the next all this girl argument. Me say me couldn't believe it. And 20 more man stand up there watching man take the board. I beat me up and broke up the wood for me. I could not do a run. When me run, me see the nearest police station. Oh, me run going there. One of the wickedest things happened to me when me run going to the police station. The superintendent and the next artist, uncle. Jesus Christ. When me sit down and make the complaint, the man said, be a Ray uncle. You have to lock him up. And I said, Lord Jesus, I'm not going to mix up this a bit in that. I said, what I'm looking to before, but my board broke up. I know I still have the market on my back. Me not talk. Me never talk. And then I start fretting now because of people where me know we do me things. But me just say, me understand, me tell you, I say, fear one might be that type of abuse, but I abuse this same way, like, me the feel so abused, 20 strong man turn up there and watch the artist beat me up, and then one of the man, them laugh, like, you know, like, me as a body, like, and them tell them, I'm not career yet, I'm not boss or nothing, so someone me tell myself, I'm not bad at the music, someone me tell myself, I'm done with it, and then now, Mama say, me go to the station now and go book up on the inspector. Me book up on the inspector, the next artist uncle. if the inspector hear, I'm gonna, or the superintendent, them know what. If he hear this alive, I'm gonna say, yes, me did tell them to lock him up. And, but by the time them say, them would lock him up, me they feel bad because them tell the artist manager, me love him because the manager take care of me without him look me up, that the man not do no harm to me. The manager is such a nice person. So by this time in the evening, when I go home, the manager called me and said to me, say, please, me I beg you, nobody say nothing. And me go send some money come give. And it's not even the money, but me even accept the apology. Is the fact that me never bust yet and me no nobody, and that situation would have been like, maybe me would have lose my life. Me don't know. Me don't know if me still gonna lose it. No, because when them hear, them are gonna say, but we tell her not to talk and we give her money or this or that or whatever. But through me get so old now and nobody no business about me in music, and the same artist me say talk to me enough time. The artist that talk to me see me and like me I say, him no remember what do to me. Me I'll run joke and say to him, say, do one song with me and I know you know look for me. For years me I say that. I say if I do that for apology or something, nothing. That means that the person hate me or something, because you could never beat up somebody after me, you know, so I look at dub plate hustling me I do, and so me live because me want to survive till my career take off. And you never give me one yet. Me no cure, me beg the artists are the biggest thing at that time. And me beg you a dub plate and you don't never give me. And me go to a next man now and the man give it to me. And you know, in order, me don't know where your man them are, your man them will par with you, come say to you about a little poor girl like me. A little poor girl like me at that time. Me are no body. Me are no body. Me just come a studio and try look a bus. And me don't know what them could have said to you for you take a board and broke it up on me. And for years me walk with that upon my brain and upon my head. And me just not know how. And me see her talk to me, see the artist talk to me, me see people love me. Me not talk about the normal artist. Me not talk about the normal, me talk about artists where I make millions every day, every year, where people love. You understand? And the manager called me now and said, they might give me some money, and if you just relax, I'm a forgot doctor, I'm a forgot this, I'm a forgot that. And I'm not tell my mother, I'm not tell nobody, I'm not tell my parents, I'm not tell nobody, I'm just still, because I'm tell my mother they leave gone foreign anyway. And me the kind of up on my own still, you know, and when the manager called me, me couldn't press the charge, because that the manager there's somebody where help me out a lot. Any problem I have them time and make me escape a lot of other stuff, you know. So me accept the money. Me never tell a lie. Me accept the money, and I remember me said to myself, say, them time I have one something and whatnot, and me tell myself, say, I go buy one big whatnot with the money. Cause I told the money enough. I go buy one big double side whatnot and put it in my house and put it in front of me and said, this is going to remind me every day. And me the kind of sorry me to do that, because every time I look on it, I cry, because I say, man can't wicked so. Oh, you feel take board and beat me so in front of everybody at studio. Me run through the gate, me run, me don't know how me not dead. I know me don't know how me still alive. God no. You understand? So me just saying, a whole heap of things we go through as woman at the business, and me not really come up to stay long, because me know them are gonna drag me and people are gonna drag me, but me just try to say, when me hear about whatever people are going through, me I try to make people know, say, me my thing them not normal. What day I'm saying I gonna do one documentary, because the things that me go through I want different type of something. Me not say people not try to say right sex or whatever, but me as me tell you now, me come in, me go into the business with a shield. Like me go in there with that intention, say nobody now go force me for have no sex, you know. And then I travel par with people where, you know, good to me, and you know, and treat me with respect, you know. So me start to par with a lot of different people where show me a lot of respect, and But me I try to tell them that this was one of the journey. Them boy throw shoes in my chest. Me go to studio, them I tell me say people run me out of them studio. You know, whole heap of things. Whole heap of things. It's been and right now I just feel like sometimes I just feel like the artist will just address it to me and say, boy, you know, say me the kinda be a big man about that and say no, say me the feel fuck up because me shouldn't really take my board and beat you up like that because you know, me don't know if I not feel like I eat that right now because 20 man them with the turn up they're like I wanna do that, I wanna make that happen like when me do. More than me just go look dub plate and me go get the dub plate and come back happy. And you now give me no dub plate and me get beaten for that. Because me have to stay neutral. Me can't stay between 2 man or 3 man or 4 man if them not talk. Me have to stay neutral in between everybody. So just that me that try to stay neutral. Because me no boss, me no reach nowhere. Me not call the name. Me not call the name. Me not call the name because I reach half a journey in my life and I want to finish it. So, what I try to say is, I just make you know, and I just make Tanya know, say, you're not alone, darling. I go through it too. It might be a different way, but I go through it too. I have to thank God for a few of my friends and a couple of people who take care of me and never been abusive. I go through it too.
Yeah, know, my people, and I real still, you know, some of the female artists them out there, them go through some things, you know. Yeah, some female musicians go through some things, and in my point of view, I think that some of them really and truly don't want to say certain things because of certain situations. You understand? Yeah, maybe because them fear for them life, or maybe them are trying to protect a person, or maybe them feel embarrassed for come and say certain things will happen to them, or so forth. You see, so when you say a female entertainer, any lady, even men too, anyone, when they hear certain people or anyone comes out with certain situations that are embarrassing to them or might put them life in danger or so forth, I think that they are brave to do so. And I think that it takes a lot for them to do so. You see? Now, me now go bash and say certain things and go say, oh, you for call name and so on and so forth and Ray. You see, when it comes down to certain situations, it's best to handle the whole thing delicate. You get what I say to you? Because it takes a lot for someone to come out with certain things. Like the things what Macadamia said a while ago now. See? She broke into tears. She got emotional. You understand? So, in my point of view, it seems as if it takes a lot for her to say the things what she said. See? And she make sure she say, oh, she don't know what gonna happen after she say certain things. If you notice, if you listen carefully. You see me I say? So, me now go say, oh, you don't make no sense you tell me and you not call nobody name. The point is, by sharing the things that what she said, I think that this might bring some form of comfort to her to make other people know what she got through. Yeah, so by sharing certain things, I think it might bring some form of comfort to Macadamia. You understand? You see, I think it take a lot for her to say the things that she said. You see? So big her up. Me only go by the things that she said, no people. I can't confirm nothing. You know, big up to all females out there. Big up to everyone who share certain things that happen to them in their life, even though it might be embarrassing or so on. Alright? Yeah, big up to everyone. Alright? Yeah, so I'm gonna leave it. Alright, so until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm gonna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.